How to turn off explicit on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go over to the top left corner and tap on Your Profile. After that, select Settings and Privacy under your profile. In the Settings page, look for Contents and Display and tap on it. Now, go to the Content Preferences section. Then, disable the Allow Explicit Content option under this section. This means that any explicit content on Spotify will not be playable anymore. If you enable it, you'll be able to access explicit content on Spotify. You can also check out the other options in the Contents and Display page under the Content Preferences and Display Preferences as shown over here. Following these steps, you can easily turn off explicit content on Spotify.